In this video, I would like to teach you how to conjugate the verb hacer in the present tense. The verb hacer means to do or to make in English. Now you can see the conjugated forms of the verb hacer. Hago, haces, hace, hacemos, hacéis, hacen. Hago means I do or I make. Haces means you do or you make. Hace means he or she does or he or she makes. Hacemos means we do or we make. Hacéis means you do or you make. Hacen means they do or they make. Now, please pause the video and try to translate these sentences on your own. When you are ready, check then the results with me. Let's check your results. The first sentence, I do my homework. I do means yo hago, and my homework means mi tarea. Then you do sports, and we should use the second person singular. You do means tú haces, and sports means deporte or deportes. Then he makes the bed. He makes means él hace, and the bed means la cama. She makes food. She makes means ella hace, and food means comida in Spanish. Then we do exercise. We do means nosotros hacemos. Exercise means ejercicio. Then they do shopping. Do shopping means in Spanish hacer las compras. And they do shopping means ellos hacen las compras. And then what do you do? And we should use the second person singular. What means que, and you do means haces. All the sentences will be correct also without the personal pronouns, because in Spanish it's not common to use them. I believe you translated all the sentences correctly. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you liked it, so please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.